Hi guys, today I am sharing the recipe for a creamy and delicious sweet corn mixed veg soup. This is the list of ingredients required. Take 2/3 cup corn kernels, 4 green chilies and half a teaspoon peppercorns in a mixer jar. Grind it to a smooth paste. Heat butter and oil. Add 4 cloves of minced garlic and let it cook for half a minute. Now add 1 finely chopped onion and saute on high flame for 1 minute. Add a 1/4 cup each of carrots and beans and saute on high flame for a minute. Now add the sweet corn paste and fry for about 30 seconds. Pour in 1 litre water and 1/3 cup of sweet corn. Scrape the bottom well. Add 1 Maggi chicken stock cube. This is totally optional for that extra flavor. Now add salt to taste. Bring it to a boil. Remove the scum which has been floating on the top. Cover and let it boil for 10 minutes till the vegetables are cooked well. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce and half a teaspoon of vinegar and boil for 2 more minutes. Make a corn flour slurry using 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 4 tablespoons water. Add 1 spoon at a time till you get the desired thickness of the soup. Add 4 tablespoons fresh cream. Mix well. Switch off the flame and serve it hot. Enjoy! If you like this video, please like and share it. And for more such interesting recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the profile picture below. Do leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.